Hello, Albuquerque. My name is Avery Corpion Edwards. I am the Assistant Director for Musical Theater Southwest's upcoming production of Dogfight the Musical. With auditions right around the corner, the production team wanted to get some extra information out to you about some of the more sensitive content that will be happening in this specific show. Dogfight takes place on November 21st, 1963. 3 young Marines are about to be shipped off to a small but growing conflict in Southeast Asia that would later be known as the Vietnam War. Corporals Birdlace, Boland, and Berstein set out on the eve of their deployment for one final boys' night, full of debauchery, partying, and maybe a little trouble. But when Eddie Birdlace meets Rose Feeney, an awkward and idealistic waitress, whom he enlists to win a cruel bet against his fellow recruits, she rewrites the rules to the game and teaches him the power of love and compassion. Our story deals with a lot of serious and important subjects, including sexual assault and mental illness. We consider these aspects part of real life and should be represented in art. However, we acknowledge that these subjects can be triggering for some people. Please honestly consider your ability and comfort with dealing with these issues before committing to your involvement in Dogfight. In particular, you should note the following. Birdlace and Rose are required to kiss and depict a consensual sex scene. We are currently in contact with an intimacy coordinator to assist with this. Rose and all Marines will undress down to their undergarments on stage to change clothes. Eddie Birdlace returns home from the Vietnam War and struggles with post-traumatic stress disorder. Birdlace, Boland, Berstein will visit a sex worker and a sexual assault is implied. Some scenes will depict the use of alcohol, smoking, and drugs. Some scenes and songs will include coarse language and adult themes. Some scenes and songs include misogynistic content, including body shaming. Some scenes and songs include racist content, including the use of racial slurs. Some scenes in the show depict war, violence, and death, and this will include the use of strobe lighting as well as tracks with gunfire. We are including this information not to put anyone off from auditioning, but to be transparent with what this show includes, and to open up the conversation about these topics. And during part of our rehearsal process, we will have a licensed therapist that specializes in trauma involved. Please be assured that Dogfight will be created in a safe and controlled manner, and we will always treat the material and our actors with sensitivity, respect, and safety is our top priority. However, if you are auditioning for or are offered a role and have concerns about anything mentioned in this video, please discuss it with the production team before committing to our show. Dogfight is heartbreaking and romantic, beautiful, haunting, and hopeful. Musical Theater Southwest, the rest of the production team, myself, and our director, David Bryant, cannot wait to share this story with you, and we hope that you'll be a part of it too. Thank you.